Hi all, Confetti Betty here, and I'm here with my 100th Mythic egg, the 100th one that I'm going to be hatching. So I can show you. We're going to pets and egg. Oh, no thank you. And there. Oh, there you are. So 99 hatched, and this will be my 100th. And so far, as I can also show you, I have not had a single, look, hatched 0, and the phoenix as well. Where are you, phoenix? There you are. Hatched 0. I have not had a single legendary. So this will be where I feed him food and we see what we get for our 100th egg. Are you ready? Come on, Mr. 100th Mythic Egg. What are you going to be? For the 100th, I have a merhorse. Well, that kind of says it all. I have now hatched 100 eggs, 100 mythic eggs, and I have not had a single legendary. And as it's 5%, I should have had 5 by now. Really, you know. But there you go. Oh well. So there you are, everybody. It doesn't always work out in my favour, but yeah, I got a merhorse. So, okay, see you later, guys. Confetti Betty saying bye.